How would you determine when you are job ready? Yeah, you know what, Joseph, that's a great question. I'm taking a pause because I want to give you a thoughtful answer. I think two things. You know that when I've said, do the work of a data scientist, part of that work is publishing your work. Nobody has to read it. You don't have to develop this amazing audience. You don't have to win the Nobel Prize. You just have to get out there and publish it, right? And get into that habit of putting things out there. I got into a habit where I was putting out an article a week. I committed to doing an article a week. And again, that's just me. I wasn't billing anybody. I wasn't working as a data scientist. It was just me developing my craft. I think, Joseph, for me, a turning point in that was when people started replying. I started getting comments back. Because again, I did this and nobody would reply. I don't know if even some of my early stuff got read. But that doesn't matter. The point is that I was getting into the habit. I was building my skills, right? I was looking at numbers. I was picking models. I was writing code. But I think, Joseph, if I think about it, it's when people started replying.